Hey everyone, I'm Matt. Welcome back to another 2-minute tour. Today we are taking a look at the Flagstaff Classic year 2022. Guys, this is a Flagstaff Classic. This is a beautiful, sophisticated, yet lightweight, but quality fifth wheel. It's unbelievable what's going on the outside. You got your Kurt turning flex turn point pin box. Right here, we have some awesome storage from the outside. It is a slam latch door. Frameless windows, power awnings right here, and a power awning right here. And what makes this unit amazing is that you also get an outside kitchen. Let's take a look at the inside. As you walk in, turn left. We're gonna start straight with that rear kitchen back here. This kitchen is absolutely amazing. You kind of have a breakfast bar, solid surface countertops, Magic Chef refrigerator. It's huge, it's big, it's tall in here. Next to it is a U-shaped dinette. I love that. Storage underneath, the whole family can sit around. Right here you have a TV, entertainment fireplace, and it's adjacent to the theater seats and the sofa. These theater seats are great for when my wife sits here and I sit here. The dog has a place right here. Also, if there's no dog, no problem. You got your cup holders right there. Tons of storage above, and this is actually a pull-out sofa if you do have a guest. Coming on into the bedroom.
Bathroom?
Yes, ma'am. We do have a huge shower in here. Very nice. Toilets right over there. Nice little sink. And to get a bathroom this size is absolutely amazing. And then to wrap up the master bedroom, you got place for a combo washer dryer, a nice king size bed, storage right here, and the TV would go right here. Great, so that's a quick little 2-minute tour of the Forest River Flagstaff. If you guys are interested in buying this unit, click that link down below. A member of our team will reach out to you and get you guys a phenomenal price. Or if you want to see more what this unit's about, and you want to see a full detailed review, make sure you check out my YouTube channel, which is Matt's RV Reviews. Towables. Thank you guys so much for watching. We will see you next time.